It's October. Here is the neighborhood. Really nice neighborhood. Now look at this. They love it. Look at that. They're decorated. And that happens to be one of our houses. And here's the house that I have the move in. Here's the rest of the neighborhood. I never know in Detroit when it's trash day because there's always cans out. I don't know. And that's something you can get a ticket for in Detroit too. So here's our house, and I finally figured out why the front door was open. I don't have to be afraid. It's one of our best house sitters. See, there he is. Oh, he's running in. Yeah, there he is. That's our house sitter getting the house ready because he knew the tenant's coming here. Any minute she's gonna be here. But this is our house. Isn't that nice? All right, so here is the living room. Very happy. The brand new windows, and they did this spackling on the walls. That's strategic. I don't know construction well enough to explain why they do that or not do that. And actually the ceiling's kind of spackled too. We had hardwood, and instead of staining it like mocha, that would have looked awesome. We just refinished it because they'll put couches down anyway, and I think that saves money on the whole renovation cost. And I was told, one of the holdups I just remembered was something to do with the floor covering. This is my tenant's bed thing. But the floor covering guys were supposed to do the floor like before the weekend. And we came back from the weekend and found out that they gave themselves the weekend off, despite the fact that we have a move-in. But that kind of stuff happens. Not saying it's right, but it does happen. So anyway, here's the kitchen. I'm looking for a light switch, but I can't find it. Okay. And isn't this floor nice? And when we have house sitters, they'll bring their own refrigerator and stuff, and our house sitter has been cleaning up. So it's looking and smelling fantastic in here. So I'm gonna keep walking through. Here's the bathroom. Oh geez, the lid's up. It's a pet peeve of mine. Put it down. I'm just doing a real life showing of a house when I walk in. Real time, there it is. So this is the typical color tile that you get in Detroit. You get one of these colors. My husband can name them all, it's funny when he does. But it's all in good shape, so we leave it like that. So let's go to a bedroom. The bedrooms were supposed to have been carpeted, so I don't know what my tenant's gonna do here. But I don't know. So she's gonna have to like live in the living room until they carpet it. So here we are, another bedroom back here. Looks like the house sitter was staying in here probably. So let's see. This goes outside. Sometimes they have these doors and tenants make sure never to put their kids back here. Okay, so I can't get it open. I'm not gonna try. I don't know what's going on there. And then let's go upstairs because I think if I remember this house from before, this is one of the best things about this house is the upstairs. So I know this tenant, Tasha, she saw it before it got renovated at all. And she was so excited. Oh, it's so dark. I don't know why that light won't come on. I probably pushed the wrong switch. Look at this, going around a corner. There's a whole hallway. This isn't just one open room up here. Check it out. Beautiful bedroom. Yay, brand new carpet. So at least they did some of the carpet, I guess. That's better than not. Wow, nice big closet. Look at that. You don't ever see that in these Detroit homes, these old homes. So then across the hallway, bedroom, we did 2 bedrooms down, one, and this is a second. Yeah, I can count 4 bedrooms. Look at that, all the windows up there. How cool. Now, this cannot be a big closet here, let's see. It is, for Detroit, that is a darn good sized closet. For these old houses, I don't just mean Detroit, I just mean old houses. Maybe this light switch here. Maybe there's no bulbs. Okay, so here's the bathroom here. 2 bathrooms. How cool is that? So there was a full bathroom down and a half bath up. Hey, lids up. There you go. Toilet. New floor. New windows and mini blinds. Let's check out the basement. I already told you about the furnace thing. Let's see how that's looking. All right, so we're gonna go down the basement. There's one of our steel doors. Yes, and we have one of those security doors, which people appreciate that. Let's go down as I leave it unlocked, because you can tell I grew up in the country. I find locks to be quite a nuisance. So yeah, my tenant has moved in. I feel badly. She's got to move twice now. You know, she puts all her stuff down here and now she's got to do it again. Oh. Yeah, so brand new hot water heater. We're gonna get a new furnace. We do have the glass block. That's a good thing to have. So just a typical basement. Oh good, here's a storage room in here. I can't open it, but you can imagine. So that is our house.